Hi, I'm Leonardo Caruso, and if you're on this page, there's a good chance you're either buying a home, investing in real estate, refinancing, or you've already talked to three lenders, and now you're wondering why getting a mortgage feels harder than getting into Harvard University. I get it, trust me. I've been a licensed mortgage loan officer since 2005, and after nearly 2 decades in the business, I can tell you one thing for sure. No two borrowers are the same, and cookie cutter mortgage solutions don't work for everybody. So whether you're buying your first home, refinancing, pulling cash out of a property, investing in real estate, or you're self-employed and frustrated with traditional banks, you're probably exactly the type of client I love helping. Now, yes, I absolutely do all the traditional loan programs most people are looking for: conventional loans, FHA loans, VA loans for our veterans, purchase loans, refinances, and cash out refinances. But where I really specialize is helping clients who don't fit inside the traditional banking box. And that's where DSCR and non-QM loans come in. Now, if you're sitting there wondering, what in the world is DSCR and non-QM? Man, don't worry. Most people have absolutely no idea what those terms mean. DSCR stands for Debt Service Coverage Ratio. And in simple English, it's a real estate investor loan program where the lender primarily qualifies a property based on the rental income, not your personal income from your tax returns. So for many DSCR loans, there's no personal income verification required, no W-2s, no tax returns, and in many cases, no income documents at all. For real estate investors, that can be a complete game changer. And then there's non-QM, which stands for non-qualified mortgage. Sounds scary, but it's actually not. It simply means flexible loan programs designed for borrowers who don't fit standard conventional lending guidelines. So if you're self-employed, write off a lot of income on your taxes, own a business, or have complex finances, non-QM loans can often help where traditional banks say no. That includes bank statement loans for self-employed borrowers, profit and loss statement loans, asset utilization loans, and other creative financing solutions. So if another lender told you, sorry, you don't qualify, while you're sitting there making great money and running a successful business, don't worry, you're not crazy, and you're definitely not alone. One of the things my clients appreciate most is that I know how to structure creatively and strategically, especially for borrowers that don't fit conventional guidelines. And over the years, I've helped real estate investors grow portfolios, helped self-employed clients finally get approved after being denied everywhere, and helped borrowers secure financing options they didn't even know existed. And yes, sometimes I feel part mortgage advisor, part therapist, because buying or refinancing real estate can be absolutely stressful as can be. But my goal is to make the process smooth, fast, transparent, and even more enjoyable, if you can believe that. And honestly, a huge reason for that comes from how I grew up. Before mortgages, before finance, before real estate, I grew up in the fine dining restaurant industry. And in fine dining, you learn very quickly that service and communication are everything. You answer the table. You anticipate problems before they happen. You communicate constantly, and you make sure the customer has an exceptional experience. And I brought that same mindset into the mortgage business. So when clients work with me, they're not wondering where their loan officer disappeared to. If you call me on a Sunday morning, Friday night, text me, email me, anything. I answer. I respond. in a timely manner. Because buying or refinancing a home is one of the biggest financial decisions people make, and communication matters. My goal isn't just closing your loan. My goal is earning a 5-star review, earning your trust, and hopefully earning your referral business for years to come. Before returning full-time to the mortgage industry, I also spent years in the solar and roofing industries, helping homeowners improve properties and reduce long-term costs. And I still do work in that industry as well. So I tend to look at real estate a little differently than most lenders. I'm not just thinking, can we close this loan? I'm thinking, does this actually help this client build long-term wealth? I originally grew up in the state of Rhode Island, and I earned my finance degree putting myself through private university all by myself from the Marshall School of Business at the University of Southern California, otherwise known as USC. And today, I'm proud to work with Land Home Financial Services, a direct lender that's been in business since 1988, has an A-plus Better Business Bureau rating, and has earned hundreds of great Google reviews from happy clients across the country. That means more flexibility, more loan options, competitive rates, and more ways to get deals done. And honestly, I love what I do. I love helping clients earn that W, which is a win. I love solving complicated financing problems. I get off on it. And I love seeing people build wealth through real estate. So if you're looking for a loan officer who actually answers the phone, texts you back, emails you back, explains things in plain English, fights to structure the best possible loan for you, and doesn't disappear halfway through the transaction, then we'll probably work well together. Whether you're purchasing, refinancing, investing, or just exploring your options, I'd love to have the opportunity to help and earn your respect and earn your business. I'm Leonardo Caruso, and I look forward to working with you.